ओम शांति। मीठे बाबा, प्यारे बाबा, please come and let our effort, our bhakti for gaining the power of tolerance, and not only gaining, becoming embodiment of power of tolerance, be successful. Om Shanti. So today's Murli of tolerance, Avyat Murli 31 1998, the second step of courage, tolerance. So Brahma, it is Brahma who became the first Karmatit angel. Brahma became an angel and the angel becomes the deity. He's the number one in everything. Why did he become number one in this way? With what method did he attain number one success? All of you Brahmin soul have to follow Brahma. What do you have to follow him in? You have already been told about his first step of surrender. In the first step too, he demonstrated this by surrendering in every way. The second step is tolerance. When he surrendered himself, of course, he received the most elevated inheritance from Father. But what did he receive from the people of the world? Who, who was showered with the most insults? Even though you souls were insulted or assaulted, it was Brahma who continued to receive the most anger. In his Lokik life, he had never heard a bad word, but when he became Brahma, he became number one in having to hear words. He led a life where he received most love from everyone in his Lokik life. Without knowledge, he received so much love from everyone. But to the extent that he was loved by everyone in his Lokik life, to that extent, everyone became his enemy in this Alokik life. When the children were assaulted, that was automatically also an assault on the father indirectly. However, with the virtue of tolerance, he remained smiling and he never wilted. How great! To smile when someone praises you is not being tolerant. However, to remain smiling at a time when someone becomes an angry enemy and who showers you with insults, and not to have the slightest sign of wilting on your face or even in thought, is said to be having tolerance. To see, speak, and come in connection with merciful feeling with an enemy soul is called having tolerance. In the task of establishment and of service, there were sometimes small and sometimes big storms. As a memorial in the scriptures, they have portrayed Mahavir Hanuman carrying such a big mountain on the palm of his hand, just like a ball. In the same way, no matter if the problem, obstacle, or storm seems like a big mountain, a mountain means to make a big thing into small toy and to overcome it as you would a game. Or he made anything big became something very light. He himself remained light, he also made other light. This is called tolerance. To be light. He didn't make a small stone into a mountain, but made the mountain into a ball. He put the expansion into its essence. This is tolerance. When there is expansion of any matter, just close it, put it into essence. To expand obstacles and problem in your mind or to speak about them to others means to create mountain. To expand obstacles and problem in your mind or to speak about them to others means to create mountains. However, he did not to go into expansion, but with the full stop of nothing new, he put the full stop and moved forward. This is called putting expansion into its essence. An elevated, tolerant soul is always able to put expansion, problem, and obstacles into their essence with the knowledge and yoga, just as Brahma Baba did. When you go on a longer route, it finishes your time and energy. That is, a lot more of those are used. In the same way, expansion of any matter is the longer route, and the essence is in taking a shortcut. Both are able to go across, but because those who take a shortcut are able to save their time and energy, they don't become disheartened. They constantly enjoy themselves and overcome everything with a smile. This is called tolerance. Someone with the power of tolerance will never be afraid and think, does it also happen? Because of being constantly full, he will go into the depth of knowledge and remembrance. Someone who is afraid is never able to go into depth. One with essence always remains full. This is why there is depth in something that is full. One with expansion is empty. This is why something that is empty always rattles. So, someone with expansion would constantly continue to rattle with thoughts such as why this, why is this, it shouldn't be like this, but like this, it should not be like this. He will continue to rattle in this way, in his thoughts and in the word too. He would still constantly rattle on in front of everyone. What happens when you rattle on beyond limits? You rattle on, you become breathless, and you tire yourself out. Those who are tolerant are saved from all of those things, and this is why they always enjoy themselves. They don't rattle on, but they fly. Second step, tolerance. Brahma Baba demonstrated this. Taking this step, he always remained unshakable and immovable. He always enjoyed himself in an easy way and didn't have to labor. The children who did 14 years of tapasya experienced this. Baba took many test papers of physical labor too. There is a vast difference being those who were sustained by being spoiled with so much pride and being those who made the cow dung patties for the fire and who did the mechanics. He also made you new sleepers. He also made you into shoemaker and gardeners. However, was that labor or a pleasure? You overcame everything, but you always experienced it to be a life of pleasure. Those who became confused ran away, whereas those who remained in pleasure are giving many other the experience of life of pleasure. Even now, if those 14 years were to repeat it, you would like that, would you not? However, now if someone has to do even a little physical work at center, they think, is this why I renounced everything? Am I meant to do this work? Am I cleaning? Am I washing vessel here in center? So to live one's life in pleasure is said to be Brahmin life. Whether it is ordinary physical work or whether you have to give a speech on a stage to thousands of people, do both with pleasure. This is called living up life of pleasure, not to be confused and think. I didn't think that to surrender would mean I would have to do all of this. I came as a teacher. I did renounce everything to do this physical work. We should not think like this. This is called life of confusion. When we hesitate to do any physical work at our workplace or at our center or at our home as well. So, Baba is telling you have to live your life with pleasure in your heart. With pleasure in your heart, you will transform any situation or task of confusion into pleasure. Although you have elevated facility and everything you have is clear, if you yourself are constantly confused, then something you create confusion in something that is very clear. So you would be confused about something good and also about something that causes fear because that attitude is confused and the mind is confused. Then your attitude automatically affect your vision. Because of your vision, you see the world as being confused. A Brahma Kumari life means a life of pleasure like that of Father Brahma. However, the basis of this is tolerance. So tolerance is so special. You have been told of two paper of tolerance. The first paper where the bad word and assault from people, and secondly, the different obstacle that came in establishing yag. And thirdly, some Brahmin children became traitor or create opposition because of discontentment about small or large matter. However, in this too, with the feeling of satisfying those who were discontent while considering them to be influenced by something else, by having benevolent feeling, with the silence power of tolerance, he made each one move forward. He still taught the lesson of tolerance with sweetness, good wishes, pure feelings to those who came to oppose him. When someone opposed him one day and the next day came to ask for forgiveness with word emerging from his lip, Baba is truly Baba. That is said to be making those who fail pass with tolerance and to pass through the obstacles. So you heard about the second step. This is known as if you so that you can place your steps in these steps. This is called follow father. So we have to be like Brahma Baba only tolerant in all that comes in our life. And tolerance means to go deep inside the everything. Thank you, Baba. Thank you. Now we'll start with our yoga. So we'll write our Saman. I am Master Ocean of Love, Goddess of Tolerance. Today we'll write, okay, I am Master Ocean of Love, Master Brahma of Tolerance. This one you write. I am Master Ocean of Love, Master Brahma of Tolerance. With the song, we'll finish our writing. Om Shanti.
मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मेरी शक्तियाँ मन बुद्धि संस्कार, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, ज्योति से भरे है प्रकाश, जहाँ नहीं धरती आकाश, ज्योति सागर का प्रकाश हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मुझ में भरा है ज्ञान भंडार, आदि मध्य और अंत का सार, ज्ञान के सागर का पैगाम हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, शक्ति भरा हर गुण मेरा, शक्ति भरे घर में बसेरा, शक्ति सागर की पहचान हूँ। मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ। मुझ में भरे हैं गुण अपार, गुण सागर ने किया श्रृंगार, गुणों का मैं करती दान हूँ। मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ। मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ।
Now only listen. Mm. Powerful, full stop,
एक
and
सेकंड में
powerful soul conscious.
एकदम तेज से न्यारी पावरफुल आत्मक रूप में स्थित हो सकते हो। फुल स्टॉप।
Powerful soul conscious.
अच्छा, यही अभ्यास हर समय बीच बीच में करना चाहिए।
Palm root, five root Abhyara.
आते मध्य में पूज्य स्वरूप संगम युगी ब्रह्मांड स्वरूप और लास्ट में है फरिश्ता स्वरूप अनादि ज्योति बिंदु
I, the soul, I am bodiless, incorporeal, undetached,
आदि
and then Adi,
देवता स्वरूप
Sarupam Sampan, full of all divine virtues, and all powers, round, double non-violent, in pure world with pure body, pure soul. Feel we are in that world. Relax.
मध्य में पूज्य स्वरूप
Every soul being worshipped as Shakti, the embodiment of all powers. My 8 arms are the symbol of all the powers in me. An embodiment of all powers. Namas light through me to all souls of the world. As I worship you in soul, they are receiving it.
संगम युगी ब्रह्मांड स्वरूप
Madhuban Nivasi, power of peace, tower of peace, Sri Hall, Baba Kutia, Baba's room. My life, your Brahmin life, Brahmachari, following Father, vibrations, purifying nature as well as purifying me, the soul, and the whole, all souls of the world. Happy life, worryless life, in the lap of God,
और
my Father,
लास्ट में
Parishta Swarup,
फरिश्ता स्वरूप
I the soul, I complete light body, just above the globe. Now,
अभी अभी अभ्यास करो। एक सेकंड में निर्विकल्प निर्व्यर्थ संकल्प
all kind of waste part.
एकाग्र
Finish and focus the mind.
भाव
Only one Father
दूसरा न
and
कोई।
none other.
इस एक ही संकल्प में एकाग्र होके बैठ सकते हो
Concentrate on this one thought alone and sit.
और कोई संकल्प नहीं।
No other thought.
एक ही संकल्प की एकाग्रता शक्ति के अनुभव में बैठ जाओ। टाइम नहीं लगाना, एक सेकंड में।
In a second, in Param Dham, just me and my Father. Me and my Father is my world. Me and my Father is my world.
अच्छा,
And now, silence of the world. Experience the silence of the Param Dham. silence, Palamdham, sweet silent home. Experience the silence.
बहुत मीठी मीठी स्वीट साइलेंस के स्टेज के अनुभव में खो जाओ।
Sweet silence of Palamdham. बहुत मीठी मीठी स्वीट साइलेंस
जाओ।
And in Paramdham itself, I experience Baba as ocean of love. I, the soul, bodiless, in incorporeal world like my father, my teacher, touched from me all kind of thoughts, green color light of love, looking from Baba, feeding me the contentment of all relationships. Feel Baba with all relations.
अनुभूति न होने के कारण
Baba and I, son of love and master son of love and celestial soul. Warmth of love is reaching to all souls of the world, and supreme magnet of love, attracting all souls towards him. I, bodiless, incorporeal, point of light in Paramdham, is my Sajan, my beloved, my caretaker, my guardian, my parents, my guru, my teacher, my child, my boss, my colleague, my guide, my friend, my neighbor, my grandfather, my grandmother, my all relationship with him alone. My mother, Shiv Baba, Shiv Mama, his green like love, teaching me like a mother, waking me up in the morning, giving me first dose of energy, giving me his balm of life. If I have any pain, ensuring me to have a good day, filling me with happy energy, asking my well-being in the afternoon, reminding me if I'm missing any task, giving me each of all the chores. My mother, my Shiv Baba, my Shiv Mama, and now motherly feeling beginning to whole globe. Mother is the emblem of tolerance. How much a mother tolerates, no one can tolerate. From my Shiv Mama, I'm getting power of tolerance and also stating the same of whole world. Mother gives us understanding of right and wrong. Shiv Mama is giving me power to discriminate and power to decide as well. Mama is the one who hide our mistake and correct it also, who make big matter into small. And so Mama is giving me power, with divine power, peace, power, to accommodate, power to back up, discern, and power to cooperate. I, the soul, in the lap of my mother. My mother is using me, light and might in the world, light, might, and divine insight. My mother is the best. I have world's greatest mother with me. She is Almighty Authority. I am becoming Master Almighty Authority. I am becoming embodiment like her. Embodiment the power to tolerate. However, children are. Mama always give love, mercy, kindness, benevolence, love like her. I am also becoming Master Mama, and from now the light and might is going to the elements of nature, the earth element absorbing light and might must, and it is becoming Satipradhan, pure, combined with Shiv Mama, giving Sakash to Mother Earth. And now to the water element, light and might of Shiv Mama, getting absorbed by water element, becoming pure, becoming powerful, Satipradhan. Water element is absorbing Shivama's light and might from me. I am combined with Shiv Baba, bodiless, above the globe, in light and might, the water element. And now to the sky element, all the sky element, absorbing good thoughts and good wishes for all souls of the world. Living light and might of Shiv Mama. becoming pure. So Pradhan, clear sky, sky element has become pure, and now light and might of Baba is going to the air element. The air is becoming pure, calm, soothing, with the calm and fresh, becoming pollution free, becoming so pure, radiant, full of life, life, most energy, with happiness and love in air, and bliss. And now, Akash to the fire element. Fire element are becoming pure, so Pradhan. I and Baba above the globe and giving Sakash to fire element. All fire elements are becoming constructive, pure, comforting, and after this, all souls and all the elements of nature, the light and might is going to the wandering souls, whoever have left their bodies and their families. The wandering soul are getting new body and the families are getting peace, strength, peace, the sorrowful situation, the courage and fearlessness in them, the consciousness, vibration of soul consciousness is making them comfortable, able to face the situation. And now, from here, We and Shiv Baba came to Sapkar world in front of Bab Dada, Baba in the forehead of Brahma Baba. He's giving me Drishti and I in my angelic form. Sweet light. Brahma and Shiv Baba. With this Drishti, he's making me embodiment of tolerance like them. And Brahma Baba, number one, by following the power of tolerance, giving me his power and blessing to be number one again with the power of tolerance, giving my child. If anyone abuses you or there is a difficult situation or someone cheat you, someone scold the path you are following, someone distrust you, them also with mercy, forgive them with mercy in and there, full stop. Because what they are doing is the role given to them. No difficulty in the game. Winning won't be exciting. Always remember it's world drama and everyone is playing their part accurately. Baba's Drishti is making me strong at my mind, intelligence, and sanskar so that I don't come under the effect of any waste thought. It's making me Swarajya Adhikari, self-sovereign soul. Maha, Master Satyam Shivam Sundaram is making me bodiless, incorporeal, and detached, so that I recognize Maya with my power of decision and discrimination from before, and can use my power to tolerate and always be a winner soul. Baba is giving me blessing to be a winner soul always. I am in arms of Baba Dada now, complete transparent, two figures, shining like diamond. Baba Dada is making me a and complete like him. All my burden, stress, anxiety, everything relieved. And I feel so relaxed now. All burden is removed. I'm given all burden. Baba, and he has made me so light. With a tap on my head and back, he's feeling my child. Always be double light. Any matter heavy in your heart, it's just a mere drama. again. Play it with the spirit of game. Don't come under the effect of winning or losing. So comfortable. Hand on my head, doing massage for my head, my back, my father and my mother, in all way taking care of me. Feel his massage on you, his soothing hand on your head. Think light water to drink. It's so sweet, like a medicinal water, powerful. And as I drank, I feel much more happy. Papa's both hand on my hand, and I folded his hand tightly. As the time is coming closer by, I am still not that strong. I'm dependent on you alone. I'm an instrument and the tasks are increasing day by day. Always be with me, Baba, in those crucial times. Let not your daughter fail. My winning and Lucy in your hand. In the game, what part I need to play, that also I submit to you. You make me to play those parts. It's not any behavior of self me, Baba. Baba, and for it, light of coolness is going within me, and I'm becoming so calm, peaceful, and with Bab Dada, I came as an angel to the Tower of Peace, and Baba is telling, my child, this is not only my remembrance, but you are my arms, my part. It's your remembrance as well. And I feel combined with Bab Dada, the light and might of peace in the whole world, of power, light and might of power, light and might of knowledge, And with Bap Dada, I came above the globe and to all the souls of the world, combined with Bap Dada, spreading the vibration of all powers, light, all might, and divine insight, powerful vibration into the whole globe, combined with Bap Dada. Every part of the globe is receiving. Each and every soul is becoming full of all powers. Where all kind of weaknesses are vanishing, all kind of illness, all kind of obstacles, whether it is emergency, acute, chronic, years old, everything vanishing, and all are becoming powerful. I am Master Great 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 Grandfather, Master Brahma, Master Satguru, Master Ancestor Soul. The light is showing them correct path. The might is filling them with power, and the divine insight is enabling them to understand and follow the path. Everyone's third eye is opening. I am Trinetri, Master Trikaldarshi, Master Trilokinath Soul, Master Mahakal, Akal Takht Machine, Triple Light Angel, combined with Baptata, powerful vibration of all powers, light, might, and divine embodiment of tolerance, and all are becoming full of power of tolerance, becoming Master Brahma. And now, with Baptata, I start coming down and came to my place of action and spreading this light and might all around. Being in body, I am bodiless. I'm incorporeal and detached. The whole place is Area is full of light and might and divine insight. Thank you, Baba. Thank you. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Again, we'll see ourselves above in the Paramdham. And once again, for 1 minute, we'll charge ourselves with power of tolerance. See yourself in Paramdham. I point and Baba also point. Baba's light and might falling on me and charging my power of tolerance. My power to tolerate is getting charged. And I'm becoming full of power of tolerance. Power of tolerance in the same way. Charging.
सहन शक्ति
Power of tolerance is getting charged.
सहन शक्ति सहन शक्ति
And now come back as embodiment of power of tolerance and see yourself. Oh, 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 oh. And thank you, Papa. Thank you. Thank you to all souls. And now we can write down the Saman and be in the intoxication.
मैं आत्मा हूँ मन बुद्धि संस्कार, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ। ज्योति से घर में है प्रकाश, जहाँ नहीं धरती आकाश, ज्योति सागर का प्रकाश हूँ। मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ। मुझ में भरा है ज्ञान भंडार, आदि मध्य और अंत का सार, ज्ञान के सागर का पैगाम हूँ। मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ। शांति रूप में हरु विश्राम, घर मेरा है शांति धाम, शांति सागर की संतान हूँ। मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ। आनंद में झूमूं गाऊं, अतीन्द्रिय सुख बरसाऊं, परम आनंद का खजाना हूँ। मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ। प्रेम रूप मेरा न्यारा, पिता प्रेम सागर प्यारा, स्नेह के रत्नों की खान हूँ। मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ। पवित्रता में मैं सरताज, मेरे घर में पावन राज, पावन पिता की मैं आन हूँ। मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ। शक्ति भरा हर गुण मेरा, शक्ति भरे घर में बसेरा, शक्ति सागर की पहचान हूँ। मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ। मुझ